I haven't made a video with my iPad in a long time, so I'm just sort of interested in it. I see. That's not a random dot on the screen. It's okay. I'm just looking at things. So it's that kind of weather again. Wonderful weather. It's almost 24, 25. Mainly sunny, just idyllic. Not too hot, not too breezy, just right. So I'm out here reading. The Jays are playing, me not watching them, because it seems that if I watch a game, they don't win it. So I've taken to not watching games, only hearing the results. We might go to a game next week. I'm not sure. We'll see. Anyway, so my neighbor, when he saw me out here, he mentioned what had happened earlier today. I guess what I didn't see is that the guy was following the girl, and he was pushing her every now and then, and that he actually knocked her down when they got further down the street. So when my neighbor went out to follow them, he also called the police and caught up to them some ways away, and the police caught up to them, and apparently he was taken away in handcuffs. You never know the kind of excitement you're going to see. I've seen those too walk by a number of times, but I guess things get physical, or at least they did this time. So that was Sunday afternoon excitement on my street. What am I reading? I'm reading a free book. Yeah, I'm still going through my free books. The Night of the Assassins or something like that. I don't know where I picked that up, but hey, I've always liked action type stories, so I guess I picked that one up from somewhere. Every now and then I do some hula hooping, then I go back to reading. It's just a great day. I have my photocopying done. There wasn't that much, since next week is not much of a week, but I still have to finish writing out the certificates. So I've definitely finished the evening class, because they're first on Wednesday, with 2 of the ladies needing their certificates on Monday. So when I go back, I will do the morning and the afternoon class. That's it. This is great. This is great. Feeling good. Feeling good. At least I am for now. Ta for now.